Hey y'all, it's your girl EverythingZTay back with another video. We are out here in Charlotte, North Carolina, Queen City, doing some photos. I'm shooting with my photographer Devin. Everything's Play-Dohs. This is a cute little floral top. Got this, you can, bring it down, or you can scrunch it up like I have it, put on some waist beads. And then I have these cute overalls. Got these also from Play-Dohs. You can have one up, one down. I have them both down right now. And then I also have these cute little straw shoes. Also got these from Play-Dohs. It's a nice little spring look. You know, it's getting warmer outside. So, oh, and this is a bathing suit. I have on a bathing suit underneath. It's cute for the summer. Cute if you want to have it for like a cover up for your bathing suit. But it's just a normal floral shirt. Cute. Still cute. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day out here shooting. I am feeling my outfit though, for real. You know, if you are not already following me on Instagram, y'all need to be following me on the gram at EverythingZTay _. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, EverythingZTay. Everything's with a Z. Tay, y'all already know. Subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at my 1K. Come and support. Join my internet fam. And yeah, we on our way up, and it's up, and it's up. Now I'm playing. That's about a wrap. Braids, stitch braids, hair coat. Okay, so it's on me. All right, bet. Nothing feels better than everything. Okay. Hey, guys. Occasional superstar. I guess that's it. Ah. Do you see that? Ah.